Fall 2024 Custom Diecast Invitational. The event sponsor is DT99 Race. Huge props go out to him. Best of show sponsors is Jim Silver, Mike's Mods and Customs, and myself. Best lifted truck, 164 Lifestyle. Top weathered truck, Mike's Mods and Customs. And best slam truck, Somo Diecast. Viewers' choice sponsors, 33DC, Custom 164 Garage, and Jim Silver. Prize sponsors, Mike's Mods and Customs, Paints Wicked, Monty's Custom Diecast, and Ready to Diecast. The following is a list of all the non-award-winning entries. It was a pretty large group this time, and unfortunately, we only had so many prizes, and there's so many deserving vehicles. I think everybody stepped it up this time and really pushed the envelope of what I think the quality of something like this is. You can tell everybody put forth their best effort, which is really all you can ask for. This was an amazing just amazing class of entries. Me and the other judges were just, it was hard. It was really hard this time to really pick the best of the best of each class. And it got to the point where we were nitpicking to be able to find something wrong. Even the smallest thing made a big difference, because that was the only difference. So it was a tough call this time. So there's about 74 to go through. Just kind of sit back, watch all of them. If you see something that you like, stop and write down the social media links of these people if they have them, and go out and follow them and check them out on Instagram or YouTube or wherever they may be. And I'll be back in a second. All right, prizes. First one is from Paints Wicked. It goes to WFO Diecast. The second one is Ready to Diecast sponsored Wheelies Hot Wheels. This is a pretty cool casting. He broke his prize package up into multiple pieces. So he's got more going to Mateo Collections. I believe that's what that's supposed to say. I'm horrible with English, never mind other languages. And the last one went to Old Chevy Technician for his Ghostbusters pickup. And he also gets 2 castings, one from Auto World and one from M2. 164 Lifestyle sponsored the Loco Goat. Most of you probably follow him on Instagram. Always makes killer customs. He wins a prize. Monty's Custom Diecast also chose the casting that he wanted and will present a Sponsor's Choice Award. Viewer's Choice Award, 3rd place, sponsored by Jim Silver, goes to Roberto Trinidad. Viewer's Choice, 2nd place, sponsored by Custom 164 Garage, goes to Ben at Qualworks. First place, Viewer's Choice, goes to Ezekiel Delavolt. 33 DC Customs is our generous sponsor. Top Weathered, sponsored by Mike's Mods and Customs, goes to Yuya Nishimura. I think I actually got that one right. Best Slam Truck, sponsored by Somo Diecast, is going to Bradley McDonough at Full Custom Diecast. Best Lifted Truck, sponsored by 164 Lifestyle, goes to Matt Turner, M-Turn 28. Best of Show, 3rd place, goes to 164 Lifestyle, sponsored by myself at Outlaw Speed Shop. This thing was unanimous in the top 3 from all of our judges. There's a lot of little things if you look at, from the mirrors to the side pipe exhaust to the scooter to the wing to the wheel treatment to the motor to the clean white paint on the interior and the bed, the Chevrolet decal on the tailgate. Just everything about this was well done. Best of Show, 2nd place, goes to Ezekiel Ezek Custom Style 22, sponsored by Mike's Mods and Customs. This thing is wild. The minute I saw this, I knew it had to be in the top 3. It was just the amount of little details. The more you look at this, the more you find that he modified, and there isn't much of this that is not modified. So Mike's Mods and Customs donated a bunch of stuff and told me I can do whatever I want with it. So instead of keeping it, I decided to give it out to the one casting that jumped out at me. And that is the Fletch Built number 50 Custom, 50 being the 50 entry. And it just, one of those things, the minute I saw it, I fell in love with it. Best of Show, 1st place goes to Sven Simpson at Simpson Artistry, sponsored by Jim Silva. Just look at the pictures. There's no doubt the amount of work and modifications from the door to the hood, the double articulating hood, the bed, just everything about this thing has been modified, and the amount of effort that went into this is completely insane. And all of us decided that no matter what, this was the number 1. So that pretty much wraps up the Fall 2024 Custom Diecast Invitational. We will be having it going forward, but it'll all be hosted on the Diecast Exchange, which is a brand new site that I'm putting together. We will have multiple challenges. I will have 4 Bone Shaker challenges. I will have 4 Custom Diecast Invitational challenges, and I will have 4 post-apocalyptic challenges. Each one is quarterly, so you got plenty of time in between each if you only like custom diecast or Bone Shaker style builds. Either way, There's plenty for everybody, and you're still welcome to participate through Instagram or whatever as far as posting pics and so on and so forth. But I hope you enjoyed this. There was a ton of great entries. Please go and follow everybody, and thank you to all who participated.